rock stars! Welcome all you legends! In this recorded scene, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 9 divided by 9 over 33, then times 33. First we do this multiplication. 9 over 33 times 33. We can easily cancel this 33 and this 33. So here we have this 9 only, and 9 divided by 9 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 9 divided by 9 over 33. To do this division, write down the 9, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 33 over 9. And here again, we have times 33. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 9 and this 9, which gives 33. And here again, we have times 33. So here we have this 33 times 33, which equals 1089. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay connected.